might be betting on a hell of a time. Cause you know we're gonna party like cowboys, whip out the big toys, pour on the gasoline, put some fire on the fuses, we're about to do this, pumped on adrenaline. We're getting jaggedy, jacked up, beer backed and doubled up, stand up and make some noise, gonna party like cowboys. Getting flirty and some are dancing dirty. The country girls are coming alive. Some guys are rocking and some dudes are socking and gonna have to take it outside. The 2-for-1s are flowing, the pyro is blowing, the whole place is coming unwound. The roof is raising, the whole place is shaking. We're just getting started now. Cause you know we're gonna party like cowboys, whip out the big